Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. How are you guys doing so far? Happy New Year to you guys. Okay, shall we just wait for 1 minute? Okay, 1 to 2 minutes. I will start the session very soon. Can you guys see my screen so far? Let me see. Okay, shall we start? Okay, so today is also about live training section. Okay, before I start the webinars, disclaimer first. This information is not considered as investment advice or investment recommendation, but instead a marketing communication. All right, risk warning, trading forex and safety carries significant risk to your capital and is not suitable for all investors. So you should ensure that you understand the risk involved. Okay. The speaker today, my name is Peggy. I'm investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, so basically the agenda for today, basically we're going to find a trade setup and there's high impact news coming. So actually I pull out from Forex Factory and you can, filter if you want only like raise high impact news or you want to include the orange box. It's up to you guys. But I personally just filter all high impact news in the red one. And the time over here, you just change the time zone according where you live. Okay, so basically I just stick with UTC. The upcoming newsletter, they're gonna have core retail sales at 1:30 p.m. and unemployment claim coming. Early today, there's an unemployment change, which is I think it's positive for the Aussie, which is 56.3K. Okay. Chat is disabled. Okay, somebody said chat is disabled. Okay. Can you send a chat? I think I already changed to like everyone here. Okay, I think it should everyone. Can you send a chat? Okay, I think now cannot. Okay, I think that should be okay. Okay, so upcoming results, so just take note of the high impact news coming up. Shall we just maybe look at the Aussie dollar because the news came out. It's a positive for Aussie. Okay, let me pull out the chart. Okay, right here. Oh, let me just drawing. Okay, right here. Okay, shall we look at Aussie? Okay, what you could see here, the news came out, it's positive for the Aussie dollar. That's why you can see the Aussie rising. But basically, here is our support level, right? You will see that this is our imbalance and they create the bullish at the block over here. So if based on H1, you will see the price is falling and bounce off from this level. Okay, you want to look at H4 time frame. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, which is like early on they have a news came out. Okay, if we want to look for the daily H4 time frame, the overall momentum is still bearish, right? For the Aussie, price make a higher high, higher low, continue to go lower. Okay. Based on daily time frame, you see price bounce off because they already at the key support level is over here based on the swing low right there. Okay, and then you can see daily time frame price ending with green. I think there's a bullish divergence as well. Is here. Okay, this is a bullish divergence versus the I side. Price make a lower low. Indicator is make a higher low. Okay, so this is a bullish divergence. Okay, and the currently price is bounce off from our, this is you could identify as your support level, first support right here, right? There's a price bounce off, right, based on H4. But if you go even lower, you will see that, like I just mentioned, they create the bullish at the block over here. Okay, so this is a price bounce off. Go back to H4. If you to ask me, so which time frame you should identify the key level? To me, you go to the higher time frame, which is H1 and H4, and then you can go to the lower time frame to look for like chart pattern, price action, or divergence, and then you can either like you want to buy or sell or wait for confirmation in the lower time frame. So basically, okay. So this again support. I would identify this one gonna be, since I'm really talking for Aussie dollar, okay, I will just highlight the key level first. You can request, okay, if you have any specific pair you want me to have a look for you. There's a slight up with 78.6% for the Aussie. So basically, what we are looking for, price bounce off, right? This is the support. We are expected that price will bounce and rise to first resistance right there. Okay, which is right up with our 78.6% fib level. The next resistance level, which is second, is gonna be here. It's gonna be second resistance level. This is the recent high. Okay, if price break above, I think second resistance would line up with our extension maybe. Right? Exact 127. So let's say if price break above the first resistance, the next resistance we will pick, which is second resistance here, line up with 127.20% extension. So this is the key level for Aussie dollar based on H4 time frame. Okay, meaning that if price approaching first resistance, you go to the lowest time frame. If you see the rejection, price action or chart pattern, or those are a lot of rejection, and then you sell at this level. But if price close above first resistance, meaning that the body close above, you may wait for price to pull back and then you buy. Okay, from the resistance is pullback, it become your pullback support level. Okay, now shall we just look at the dollar? Okay, based on the dollar or DXY, able to look at the daily time frame, we will know that price on uptrend or bullish trend, right? But you will see the pullback because this is your resistance level. Price is already at your resistance level here. Okay, and you can see that one price is reached resistance level, you will see the rejection, and you will see the price action in the daily time frame, which is here. Plus, you have confirmation the price going to revert from here because there is what? There's a bearish divergence versus the I sign. You double click to make it bigger for the I sign. I'm using the I sign, which is 14 period, which is 14, the default one. You can see the price falling. So the next day, which is this day close, the next day you need to look for the sell for the dollar, right? Price falling. Now they are at the support level here. Okay, almost reach and then bounce off. So it's still like sell over here. Okay, so back to H4, right? We'll identify this is going to be my first support. Okay. Definitely, I will identify my first resistance. My first resistance, I will chip down over here. Okay, this is going to be my first resistance for the dollar. This gonna be the swing high resistance for the second resistance right here. Okay, basically, price will falling to this first support. That's why you will see that dollar is falling. EURUSD, GPUSD, and gold will be rising because they are negative correlation. Okay, so this support. So the next support level is gonna be where I will pick here. This is gonna be the second support for the dollar. Okay. Get the exact price. And this is a green one. Okay, so it's still within the trend line. Okay, so now we continue to look for the EU. We will see that EU is rising, and now I will identify this is my resistance level. That's why you will see that price is rising from the support like yesterday, and then at the resistance you see the pullback. Okay, you were to go daily time frame, what do you see? Okay, if you see there is a bullish divergence here, so if you trade, okay, without divergence, you miss out a lot of opportunity here. Daily time frame, bullish divergence confirmation, you will see your price action here. Okay, that's why the next day you look for buy entry, right? Then now there's at the resistance on H4 time frame. That's why you will see the pullback. And the fourth resistance here, you will see if you combine with Fibonacci, you will see that it's close to 61.8% fib. So when you highlight or you find a key level, so this is going to be your sell entry or your sell zone basically, right? Price rising, you will sell at this level. From here, why you see the rejection here? Anyone tell me why you see the rejection and then price bounce up? What do you see somewhere around here? Anyone? Do you know how to look? You see that one price is falling, why you see the rejection at this zone or this level? You could identify, or you would think that, okay, this one could be your support level. Okay, you were to go, this is going to be your first support, right? You're falling, price rejection, now it's just ranging. Okay, but if you go to H1, you'll see that because the imbalance here, so this is going to be your support zone. Okay, so this is going to be your first support. Where is your next support level? You look to the left, there's nothing, so it's okay. Don't need to like look so far. I think this one combined with 50% fib, right? You will see that exact 50% fib level price bounce. And the second, you just put at the body, and then we will identify this our second support for the EU. Okay. Does anyone doesn't know how to identify the key level? You can let me know as well. I will explain more. This is multi-swing high, second resistance level. Or you can request if you have any specific pairs or instrument you want me to look for you guys. So this is gonna be second resistance level. Okay, so this is the numbers. The upper one here, meaning that if price come to the zone, within the zone here, the red box, you go to the lower time frame, okay, and then you wait for the confirmation. Okay, like in lower time frame, you see a lot of rejection here, meaning that you can sell at first resistance. Okay. Okay, continue. I will just go through all the dollars. Okay, now look at GBP. Anyone buy, you will see your price action here, right? And then you see the rising. But now today it seems like you see the pullback here. So are we going to buy or sell for GBP? Okay. For the GBP one, okay, I will buy at buy, okay, for today. So basically price is falling. It seems like you just look at market structures, lower low, lower high. They seem like they break above this high. Okay, go to the lower time frame. Okay, so basically we will identify the key level on H4. First, anyone is sell here. If you were to sell here, that is the reason why you sell here, because you have supply, or you have like, this your sell entry. Okay, you can see that your imbalance here create a belly engulfing candle. So price come back here to the sell zone and then falling. But in the bigger picture, I still buy at buy. So this is gonna be my first resistance based on H4. So this is gonna be the zone. Okay. And the lower one, so within the zone here. Where should I pick? Where is our support level? You can look to the left. This is gonna be the second support, which is just right now. Okay, so now if you want to buy here, I want to see the confirmation. I will bring you guys to the lower time frame and have a look. Okay, right here. So perfect. Okay. Now, if it were to look like here, it seems like we can buy at this level. Okay, so GBP, you could buy now if you want to. Just manage your risk and put the stop loss first. The take profit is up to you. Stop loss is just below the wick or below this wick. Okay, now you can buy. GU. Okay, so buy GU, expect to bounce here to this zone. Okay, the next resistance that's gonna be here. I just feel like the light is very bright. Okay. So USD JP1 USD CHF falling, price is falling for this is my sell entry. Pull back, coming down again. Okay. So this is the thing I highlighted yesterday. So I need to update the level. Would identify gonna be the second resistance right here. Okay. The support. Okay. So this is the key level for the USD CHF. 78.6, slightly below. So this is gonna be the zone. Okay. Yeah. Meaning that price they pull back. I think price will fall from to the support here. Okay, you see this divergent here, barely engulfing. Yesterday it just like cannot decided. Just continue. Today I think continue to fall here. Okay. Okay, I pause here for a while. Okay. This is divergence all the way below. So where is the resistance? I will pick here first resistance. Or yeah, we will sell the resistance, right? And then we buy at the support. Second resistance right here. So basically price will falling to where? My key level, I would say this is my first support. And this one is gonna be my second support. Okay, so basically around this zone, close to, like just now price a pullback to the resistance, which is here, right? The wick in the body. You see that price is pullback, right? And then falling. So this is the actually is already back up to our sell zone. And then your sell zone here, you see your price action here, right? So it continue to fall. So I expected price will falling to here. Or at least you can aim here 30.2% fib, and then the second TP gonna be at the first support. Okay. Okay, so this is the level. You can't actually for the USD price is just ranging, right? You can see that if I were to see like that, I won't trade, okay, for this pair, because you will see that it just, I mean, the level is not nice, but what I can highlight for you is gonna be your first support. Okay, I will pick this here. And in the head for time frame, I want to zoom. If you want to sell, I just would identify it's gonna be my resistance level. So first resistance. Okay. My second resistance is here. Then I would say that they're gonna be 50 to 78.6%. Okay. The price is at the zone. And here is our bearish of the block, which is seen here. So this is our sell entry. Okay. And you see that price go inside the box and have the rejection. Definitely the support is gonna be here. Price gonna close below. And the next support level based on H4 is gonna be here. Okay. You just manage your risk if you want to sell. This you get. Aussie, just now we already finished pie rising. Okay, kiwi. Kiwi dollars. Okay, so what is happening here? This one gonna be my first support. Okay. This is the resistance level, meaning the expected price to fall here. And this one shows at 61.8% fifth. Okay, so slightly further. So the zone is quite big. That's why I say one price come to the zone and then you may consider to buy or sell in the lower time frame. Okay, this is the one. And I just put at the recent swing high here for the second resistance level. Okay, slightly above that level. Okay, and this is gonna be your second support. Okay. Now we will talk about gold. I will spend a little bit time over here. So now you see that because dollar is falling, right? You see that gold still rising. So what do you think about gold? So the next resistance level for gold is gonna be here, which is I think it's close to the extension. So we'll use 127. Price is pushing, so this is gonna be your sell zone. Okay, so your sell zone for gold, you'll start selling from 2708 to 2710. It's gonna be your sell area. Okay, so now price is approaching your level. This one is gonna your take profit, your TP1, meaning that you will close here. Okay, you aim for 2667 or 68 or like 2007, they're gonna be your TP1. Okay, now price is rising so strong. Okay, so this is the zone. So this zone price is approaching, so you will sell at this level. Okay. Now I'm also waiting to sell as well. Anyone waiting to sell at this level, guys? Any one of you, or you already sell at 2705? I know that some people will sell at 2705, but it seems like you can see this rejection. Okay, and I think you can have small sale here now. Okay, you can sell now if you want to. You have one entry right now at 270405. Okay, and then you close at 2007, so it's about 40 to 50 pip. That's going to be for scalping entry. Okay. Manage your risk. Okay, so you can sell now if you want to. Okay, so this is the setup just now for scalping. I will ask you to sell now. We will aim for 40 pip. So meaning your TP should be at your take profit 26.99 or 98 or 2007. So it's about 40 pip. Now price falling already. Okay. This is your first sell entry. The next sell entry is at this zone. I guess it's about 50 pip above. If you not over trade, okay, you can have an enter like just now, ask you to enter. Okay, and then you have a spare lot size somewhere around at this zone. Okay. I'll put this on an intermediate supporter, which is your take profit. This is gonna be your first support. Okay, really bright. Oh, my eye pain. This one gonna be your second support. Go to H4. Yeah, okay. So this one is gonna be your second support here. There is very strong buy. Okay, so this is your first second resistance. Somewhere around this zone. Okay. Which is where? Which is here. I put at the body or I put at the wick. It's about 30 pip away, okay? Upper and lower. Do you think the price will pull back from this zone? I saw any number here. Do you see the numbers? Okay, here. Any pairs besides gold? Shall we look at BTC? Okay, so BTC finally they come in my bear list of the block. I was waiting here for so long. You can see the price is falling. This bear list of the block on the lower daily time frame is here. Okay, so this my bear list of the block. Okay, the raised one. Okay. And within bearish of the block here, I see that there is 78.6% fifth level. So this is going to be my sell zone. So when we highlight the zone, it's quite big here. So that's why you need to go to the lower time frame. What is your confirmation where you can sell here? Okay, I think you have a bearish divergence as well, where it's here. You will see your price action. You'll see your price action. And then you will see the price is make a higher high, right? Bearish divergence indicator is make a lower high. You can see that here. Then you could sell, right? You could sell here. Sometimes you will sell here. Why if we sell here, price is like still rejection and rising? Because bearish double is very big. Okay, this one they just captures like 78.6% within H4 time frame and price is falling. Let's say you still continue to go up here. Okay, and then if you see that this price action, let's say you will sell here, you have a tight stop loss. If you have a stop out, you could wait for your price action. This two, and then you have another sell entry still within our bearish order block in daily time frame. Okay, this here in HM15, you have one confirmation, second confirmation, and your bearish divergence. Lovely, you see the very lovely price action in low time frame where bearish engulf. Another one, but engulfing here, right? Within the low time frame, price closing barely engulfing candle. Usually price will come back here. By engulfing, you can see price come up, you slightly go above to create the divergence here. You can see price action, rejection, and continue to fall. So let's say you sell, okay, usually price in the low time frame, price will go up and take the remaining order here. And now they create the divergence here. Then if you see something like that, you sell. Okay, because it's still within our sell zone in the daily time frame here, right? The rest one. And then you sell, now you can earn a few pips. Now they are at where? They are at support in M15. So for scalping, you can trade like this, okay? Bigger picture, bigger time frame, go to the lower time frame to find the entry. This one could be your TP. In the lower time frame, here, price will rise, right? Because it's a support level, and M5, you will see a lot of your rejection price action here. So they will go back here, somewhere around here, and then they will fall. Okay, they will fall, you could see, or maybe go to like this zone. Okay, like within this zone, and then they will continue to fall because there is a resistance in the M5. Continue to fall. Okay, so now you will see. Now gold is already falling. If just now you enter, you already on 10 pip. You can see the gold is falling to 27.03. Just now we entered about 27.04 plus. Now you will pull back. Okay, our first TP 2007, that's about 40 pip for scalping. Okay, so now BT is rising. This is the entry. Okay, pull back, you will see confirmation, rejection, you sell. And still within our bearish order block. This is how it look like in H4 time frame. Okay. H4 is already overbought above 70. And then you could see that they create the bearish order block in H4 time frame here. That's why price it might rising and then you're falling back up. Okay. Should we just go for where? Oil, this video oil already haven't. Okay, shall we look at our lovely oil here? Okay. This is the lovely first resistance. This one would be one, two, three, four, five. Do you think this, can we just like simple count a little bit here? Extended. 300. Okay, go down to the low time frame. So meaning that you will see the pullback, meaning it's going to be wave 5. Okay. It's 1.8%. We should value as a block. Okay, so when the price will bounce, this is gonna be the first support, 38.6%. Yeah. The second support, where should we put? This one is your second support. Okay. Meaning the price was falling. Yeah. Okay, so this one would be 38 and 61.8 or 38 and 78.6, somewhere around there. Okay. I think why people you see the divergence here, bearish divergence versus the I side. Okay, you will see that's why you see your rejection, right? You can see the rejection is its price action. If you go to the lower time frame, okay, since where price did make a lower low, lower high, right? You can see that's like gradually like falling, right? You can see that for oil. So this one could be the intermediate support, or this one could be your sell and could be your buy entry if you see the rejection at this level, at this price. Okay, in the H1 time frame. So this one, if you see the confirmation, you could buy here. Okay, you could buy here. Then where you the TP, you could just aim here for your TP1. Okay, at this price, if you were to buy, if you see the confirmation, this one could be a take profit at 39.13. Okay. Do you have any pair you want to request? No? I just want the poll first. Okay, if don't have, shall we just move on to indices? Indices. Okay, so basically Dow Jones exact at my second resistance right here. Exact. Okay. It's here. This is gonna be exact at first resistance. Now it's kind of first resistance level. You can see it's because of yesterday, right? Yesterday, they have the new release, right? It's -$4. That's like go rising and this is rising, okay? Because of CPI. It is CPI yesterday, right? Yesterday You can see it's negative for the actual, less than forecast. Okay, you can see that. That's why it's negative for dollar or rising here, boom, right? H4. Now it's at the resistance, and then you can see the pullback. Pullback to where? This one is gonna be there for support. Okay, which is used to be the high. Break above the imbalance here. Expected price will fall to this level. Okay, this is the resistance. This one gonna be the second support. Right here. Okay. I think they as an extension one, it is 127. So I see above that one. But 38%, 50. So this one was the resistance zone. Right, okay. The next one's gonna be here for second resistance. At 61.8% fib level. Okay, so we will see later during the New York session with the price will falling from here. Okay, but what I can see that based on the eyes, right, already overbought. And then we see somehow we see there's a price action here. But is this new coming later? Yeah, we have a new coming later, right? For the unemployment claim. So we need to take note of that as well. Okay, either price falling from here or continue to rise to the second resistance level. Okay, we might see a pullback first before it's rising. Okay, so this is the level. All right. So we continue. Germany 40. What happening here? Why price falling from this level? $67. This one gonna be the pullback support level. Okay. If today is if price break first support here and then the next and tomorrow you need to look for the sell entry, okay? Because if price closing with red, then meaning that they create the divergence here. Okay, price make a high, indicator is make a lower high. Then they create the divergence, meaning that price is going to reverse from here. If today ending with a red candle, okay, and probably will fall from this overlap support for daily time frame, meaning that will take time. But if the ending with divergence, right? If the break target here for the daily time frame, this is gonna be the overlap support. So you could wait like today to close, and then tomorrow you buy the sell entry or M15. M15 there is no divergence here. So so this is gonna be the intermediate support. I will just put, meaning that we will monitor this level. Okay. Because this one used to be the high, right? Resistance break above, now pull back. Either break above, pull back, support, and then continue to go higher. or closing with red, break below, pull back, become your resistance, then you sell target here. Okay, so now you need to either bounce from intermediate support and continue to go higher, or break below, pull back, and then continue to go lower. In H4 time frame, it will look like that. Then this one gonna be the first support for H4, and this one gonna be second support for the H4. Okay, you can see that. Anyone want to request before in the webinars? I will put here for the resistance level. First resistance for H4. So actually the zone is gonna be like here, the sell entry. Okay. Anyone want to request? We still have like 8 minutes. Okay, back to go before I end the webinars. What happening here? Pull back again. Okay. There may be a divergence, yeah. Let me see. Yes. There's a divergence here as well. Lovely price action. Anyone? Price rising and then go to here and you still sell at 27.05. Okay, you can have small sell, right? I still hold my sell entry for gold. Okay, I still hold. I still have my spare lot size to play if price go all the way up to first resistance like 27.05, 08 to 27.10. But my first sell I already have somewhere 06, 05. Okay, I still hold. Okay. Okay, so then I would end the webinar now. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. Again, take notes of high impact news letter. If you already sell, you're happy to profit, I highly recommend that you close before the news release. Okay. Usually I will just, if I already make a profit, I will just close my trade before the new release, or if I negative, like maybe I just cut lot if I, have like 14 lot for like a few hundred or a few dollar, depend how much my lot size. Maybe I just close first, just cut lot. I don't want to risk my kind of like my trade. Either it's like, okay, if you have the kind of mindset like if you cut loss, let's say you sell, right, and then you price keep rising, and then you cut loss after the new release, right, the price is falling to hit your TP. Okay, if you cut first and then price falling to hit your TP, then you tell yourself like, oh, I shouldn't close. If I hold, okay, I would have earned maybe 1,000, for example. Don't have that kind of mindset, because you should think like, what if, okay, you did not close and price reverse and hits your stop loss. Instead of you cut loss, you lose like maybe 300. But what if reverse and hit your stop loss, you lose 1,000. So usually I would think that way. I would think, what if in negative way, not like, okay, if I close price falling 1,000 pip, 200, I say I should. You shouldn't have that kind of mindset, okay? Because if you cut loss 300, for example, next day, if you have the knowledge, you can just earn back again. Instead of, close early, you say 3,000 or 300 compared with 1,000. So if I want to earn back 3,000, it's quite like easy. Okay, if I compare with 1,000. So kind of like maybe in 2025, you just, change your mindset, and I hope that 2025 is a good year for you and for me as well, for both of us. Okay, so yeah, I already blue, okay, because we sell, right? Just now we sell, and you should aim for your TP1 where at 2007, that's going to be your TP1. So if you were to sell about 27.05 and 06, you already hit your TP, you already earn like maybe 40 to 50 pip. If you sell one lot, you would have earned 400 or 500. If you put 0.1, you will earn how much? $40 and $50. That's good enough. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much and good luck. Okay. Happy trading. We'll see you again in the next webinars. Take care, guys. Bye for now.